The town of Bo lies around 200 kilometers north of South Sudan's capital, Juba. Once a major business hub, most of the town now lies in ruins. Fierce fighting between government troops backed by the Ugandan military forced the rebels out a few days ago. Ugandan military authorities are playing up their victory.
We did some combat in assisting the SPLA to take Bol, and that's what they did. Yes, we did lose some people. We lost 9 soldiers. We had about 12 injured, some light, some heavy. But, that's combat. That's our business.
The rebel leadership has demanded the Ugandan military withdraws as a condition to any ceasefire deal. But the Ugandan army says it must stay to maintain the recent gains and is seeking more funding to sustain its operations in South Sudan.
During our early year plan, this was not a planned activity. And therefore, we have to find some funds to support it. And now that the parliament approved our presence in Sudan as not being wrong, definitely parliament should be able also to look at how are we going to sustain those soldiers there.
The role of the Ugandan military began as an evacuation mission for its citizens and to protect strategic installations like Juba Airport. However, troops have since become involved in combat operations. Some parliamentarians opposed to the deployment say the military must account for its actions in the conflict.
We did not approve the UPDF to go there to fight. And again, they are coming asking for money. No, we are not going to accept. Instead, what we are going to do, the day they will bring a demand in parliament to request for money, we are going to mobilize the Ugandans to demonstrate, to recall the UPDF from South Sudan.
After helping the capture of Bo, the Ugandan military says it will stay on standby to suppress any rebel threats. As Uganda continues its military support to South Sudan, some opposition politicians insist successes on the battlefield will not lead to a sustainable solution. They say a political deal must be reached with warring parties reaching compromise around the negotiating table. Baleke, CCTV, Kampala.